Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Contact Form 7 with WhatsApp. First, make sure you have two plugins installed on your WordPress website. One is Contact Form 7. The second is the Social Notify plugin that adds WhatsApp support. Once both plugins are active, go to your WordPress dashboard and open Contact Form 7. You can create a new form or open an existing form that you already use. Inside the form editor, you will see a new tab added by the plugin. Open the Social Notify tab. Here, you will find the option to connect the form with WhatsApp. Enter the phone number in the admin notification settings where you want to receive messages. Always include your country code with the number. For example, start with the plus sign, followed by the country code and your phone number. Below this, you can review the default message format. This message will include the details the user submits in the form, such as name, email, and message. This is how the message will appear inside your WhatsApp chat when someone submits the form. After checking all the settings, click Save to apply the changes. The plugin will now generate a WhatsApp link for this form. This link is what connects your form submission to WhatsApp. You can copy this link and paste it anywhere on your page. When someone sends a message using the form, it will be sent straight to the WhatsApp number you added in that link. Thanks for watching.